Over a certain amount of time, if you're not taking care of your well-being, you start feeling depressed, you start feeling sad.
Get your help. Most people complete that someone would never act a certain way, or that we can count on someone for everything. Epictetus's wisdom, good or bad, outside my own choice, and that we should. Epictetus's quote reinforces the idea that good and bad are related to our rational choice, where that reciprocity may not always come. Key is to focus on what you can control. Wisdom teaches us that true wealth is a fun road life within your day. How often do people ask you for favors?
If you just, I thought you said the slaves were sacred. Like, they were used as slaves. I'm not sure if you mean.
What?
Yeah,
We have to get ready for school. What you mean? Do you think I look like a teenager, you guys?
but not that big. They said you never used that grade.
Who? Be gone. Your breath is too strong. Finally, you guys, I am completely done. The girls ready for school. I made them breakfast and now I'm sitting down and I'm journaling. And as I'm journaling, I'm so shy doing this. As I'm journaling, I'm just like talking to myself and trying to make sure that I understand like what wears down my emotional well-being. It all starts off with maintain control over your actions. Avoid patterns that wears down your emotional well-being. Like, if you know that something within or throughout your day is wearing you down, stop doing it, bro. Like, why continue doing something and it's wearing you down? Like, people used to call me every day to pick up my phone. I used to be like the yes girl, like, yeah. And then it's just like I come home and I'm just like, I'm so tired. Like, I have nothing to do. Like, for me, even though it was family, it was just kind of like, you know, you don't always have to say yes to your family. Don't ever allow anything to ever wear you down again. If you don't like something, stop doing it. If you don't want to be somewhere, move. If you know that you can't afford this but you want it anyway, don't buy it, because you know how you're going to feel after you purchase that thing that you know that you can't even afford. Avoid patterns that wears down your emotional well-being. Over a certain amount of time, if you're not taking care of your well-being, you start feeling depressed, you start feeling sad. I remember giving everything to Allah. Like, I was like, Hasbi Allahu la ilaha illa huwa alayhi tawakkaltu wa huwa rabbul arshil azim. I said that 7 times. And alhamdulillah, I have my smile back on my face. Some people, when they see you smile, you know, they just kind of like, oh, like, why are you smiling? And what's so good about your life? Or what's so happy about your life? And I'm just like, what? Like, what? Girl, like, we go through things throughout life. It's normal. But at the same time, I've took control of my well-being. And not just my well-being here in this dunya, but inshallah for my akhirah too. Like praying 5 times a day, trying to do righteous deeds. Like, all of this falls under our well-being. So like making sure you're good with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, making sure you're being kind to his slaves, and making sure you're being kind to yourself. It's 6:46, like subhanAllah, it's so early. We're just gonna chill. They don't start school until 7:30. That's one of the reasons why I really like waking up at 4 a.m. Like, I'm telling you guys, you get so much time, like, for yourself, like, for your kids, getting them ready, and then also, like, having that downtime with them just to be able to chill, relax, you know, anything else you want to do. Aisha, why do you have your balloon out? You ready? Where's your jacket?
Well, during recess it's kind of hot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You guys know what? If I could homeschool my kids, like, I really would. So many benefits to it, and I think that people kind of like degrade those benefits, because when you have your children like in the house with you and you're teaching them, you're helping them learn, it's reminding them of Allah, like, you know, and them doing their 5 daily prayers, and, you know, taking them to the masjids regularly, like, all these things come into factor, and it's such a great like reward, not just for us parents but for them. I'm gonna make this, baby. I would not sit there for another 20 cars. Like I'm in a movie. Look. I cannot believe that I've been a parent for a decade. Inshallah in June. Can't believe that. Like, seriously, I need to make sure that Amina's at home, like, with me, you know, and I want to make sure, like, I'm my best, you know, so I can be able to manage her the proper way, you know, from Quran and Sunnah. I'm driving behind this slow truck. Oh my gosh, you guys, my body is like so sore from the gym. Like, my thighs are like on fire. I want my body to be at its full best, its full potential. Like, I want to be obsessed with my body. Like, my body, like, it's my body. You guys, my camera died, so like I have to charge her. You guys, this is my old faithful. Like, I love her. Like, you guys do not understand. Like, baby has been around for such a long time. Like, this is my baby. You guys, let's grab these books and let's go study before work. Is that Manny? That was my sister. She called me. No, I love my big sisters. This cat decided to pee on my curtains, yeah? And it stinks. Now I just want to like throw them away, but don't want to do that. They're such pretty curtains, mashallah, tabarakallah, but I'm just gonna go ahead and wash them. Hopefully I don't fall down. Bismillah, because no one's here with me. Bruh, the house feels so naked. Like, it's like giving me a whole nother vibe, and I'm really feeling it. I'm kind of liking like not having the curtains here, you feel me? So I don't know, I just like the way it looks aesthetically. It looks just so neat and clean, and anyone who knows me knows that I like a clean, slick like look, you know? But I just decided to add some color into the environment, trying to make it fun, trying to make it a little bit more homey. Wanted to like shimmy it up a little bit. I don't know, I like it. I feel like I can really do both. Vacuuming, let's go ahead and let's start on this kitchen, baby.
can make this. All right, I'm gonna bullseye it, inshallah. Bismillah. Baby.